Rumba.
This routine has a lot of expansion and contraction. You have to create a lot of volume change.
Leader's part. We start off with a weight on the left foot. We're going to go forward on the right. Rock step the left foot forward. Replace to the right. Small step back left. Now, rock step the right leg. Replace left. Close that right foot. Cucaracha to the left. And replace to the right. Close the left foot. Tap the right foot. Now, circle your torso to the right. And then actually back. And then forward. Now, Cuban rock. We got to the right, left, and it's going to be right, left, a little faster, right, left, stretch it up, and then we're going to syncopate. Step on the right, tap the left, step left, and cross that right foot right at the beginning. Let's get the timing with it. So it's going to be, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, speed it up, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, and we are back to the beginning.
Followers footwork. Starting with your weight on the right, you start back on the left. Rock step, back on the right. Replace to the left. Forward walk on the right. Do an Alemana, forward on the left. Onto the right. And then onto the left, you do a spiral. With the left foot, walk around, right, left. Press line on the right foot. Pencil turn to the right. Head roll to the right. And then you do a swivel. Left foot, right foot. 2 more. Left, right. Come forward on the left. You go back on the right. 3-step turn. Left, right, back on the left. Timing. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 1, walk 2, 3, 4, turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, swivel, 2, 3, swivel, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1.
Let's see it together with a partner. And we have. Get nice and close, and then slingshot away, and close again. Underarm turn, or Alemana. 3. She's got a spiral, rope spin, walking behind the back. Connection's low, so she can get a nice centered connection and catch that hand. Then we do our circular movement. That's it. And then we have a swivel. And then we have another swivel. More swivels. Swivel, swivel. Let's get close. And away. Slingshot passed. We're back to the beginning. Timing. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2, 3, and we're back to the beginning. 2, 3. I believe it's time to do that with some music.
thank you for joining us today for our Rumba Connected Work.
Woo!
Yeah. Hey, this is my spot.
What's going on with your spot right there? Be sure to check out our top 10 steps in Rumba. I'm Lee Wen, and this is Titus from Dance Insanity. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Li Wen is the more sensual one.
That's right. I am the more sensual.